Today I'm going to show you how to make these modern keychains using my Monogram SVG file and your Cricut. If you're a Silhouette or Brother user, the concept is still the same, but feel free to head to this timestamp to see how I put them together. So let's go ahead and get started. In Design Space, upload the SVG file. I have included a file with all the letters in one, or you could choose the individual letters and then upload those. I've uploaded the file with all the designs, so I'm going to add that to my canvas. Right click and ungroup. Then you should be able to choose the ones you want and delete the rest. If you are using a 2-inch keychain blank, then you don't need to resize the file and it should fit perfectly. Now bring up your text tool and type the name. I'm using a font called Valentine Vibes. It is not a font on Cricut, but I will leave a link to download it in the description. You'll see that all the letters on cursive fonts are usually separated. So change the letter spacing until the letters join, and if they don't all join and start to overlap, just right click and select Ungroup, and then move them closer. Once you are happy, click on Weld, which will join the letters and cut out as one word. Place the name in the circle and resize as needed. To cut on one mat and not have to have different mats for different colors, I change all the elements to one color and then click Make It. I'm using Permanent Vinyl by Cricut today, and I'll leave a link to those in the description, along with the link to the template. Choose your vinyl type from the materials list and then go ahead and cut them out. I'll let the video roll so you can see how I put them together.